NCP Supremo meets up with MoS Finance Anurag Thakur over the issue of PMC Bank's revival. We don't know exactly what the contours of that discussion is, but the larger idea, of course, is to bring some respite to the customers of the PMC Bank who have been crying for justice for long. So Mayuresh Ganpatiye will give us more information on this particular meeting. Mayuresh?
Since long time, the revival plan was getting discussed within the Congress and NCP. If you remember that last time also we broke the story that Maharashtra government also trying to revive the bank by merging into some of the big banks, but due to the technicality, it couldn't merge, or the merger didn't happen or initiated with the Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank. But when we had word last time with the cabinet minister Jayant Patil, he clearly said that the Maharashtra government is also looking for some big bank so that they can merge that they can merge the PMC Bank into that big. But now Sharad Pawar had taken an initiative and he directly spoke to MoS Finance Anurag Thakur, and they did discuss the matter. So it would be interesting to see that what plan Center has got, because a few months back when Nirmala Sitharaman had come to Mumbai, even the PMC depositors met her at a BJP headquarters. There also she promised them that central government will come up with some solution to give a relief to the PMC Bank depositors. But so far they haven't got any kind of relief, neither from the central government nor from the state government.
Yes, so there is no relief, of course, that has come through, despite, Mirana also taking up this issue time and again. But for Sharad Pawar now to, in fact, take it in the right earnest is something heartening to see. What exactly can come out of this? What are the options, Mayuresh, from what we can see? Because the issue is to infuse liquidity, to make the funds accessible to the customers. Until that happens, nobody is happy with whatever assurances that have come through so far.
So that needs to be seen, that what a solution the central government has got for this particular bank, because a lot of solutions have been talked about the liquidity, about the liquidate the freeze assets of this particular Madhvans, who were the defaulters in this particular case, about merging PMC into some other big national or any other private bank. So there are a lot of solutions which have been talked about, but now it will be interesting to see that what central government takes steps. Because last time, Nirmala Sitharaman assured the depositors that she will speak to the PM, she will speak to the RBI governor, but no such concrete steps have happened. These depositors are still waiting for their money. It's been almost 6 to 7 months now.
Okay, it's been 6 to 7 months for sure, and there have been, of course, unfortunate deaths of several of the PMC customers. Thanks, Mayuresh, for joining us with the latest inputs. Sharad Pawar, NCP Chief, meeting MoS Finance Anurag Thakur over the issue of revival of the PMC Bank. Remember, the scam broke out in September last year. Since then, there has been no respite to the customers except for withdrawal limits being increased from time to time. But bulk of the customers there still crying for justice, and they have not been able to access their own savings in the PMC Bank.